To one and all, respected Colonel R.S. Bhatti, Director AWS, Headquarters Western Command, Mrs. Archana Singh, Founder, Director, Saurya Foundation, all educators, children, and parents. It's a pleasure, in fact, to be part of this project by Saurya Foundation in collaboration with Western Command, AWS. I am indeed thankful to Colonel R.S. Bhatti for giving us this opportunity to be part of this trial project. This project, when it started, I had interaction with Mrs. Archana Singh, attended so many webinars conducted by Mrs. Archana Singh and other resource persons. In between also, I had interaction with the children and parents. And in fact, this project was really required and it is need of the hour. That value education, emotional skills, employability skills, interpersonal skills, all these are really required these days. For a decade or so, we have been observing a little decline in moral values, emotions of children. The focus is entirely on scoring high percentage, but then certain aspects like value system, emotions, all these things are really needed in life. EQ is really very important. Emotional quotient is really required. And when I took the feedback from children, from parents, midway of this trial project, I was happy to know that so many children, they told me that there is a positive change in all the aspects which Saurya Foundation is taking forward. Parents were happy that yes, they are observing certain positive changes in the children, which are really required. So in fact, if I say children are becoming more confident, emotionally stable, and empathy is there, and children are loving it. So once again, I would like to thank Saurya Foundation, Mrs. Archana Singh, all resource person, our director, Western Command, and all dignitaries of AWS for giving us this opportunity. And Mrs. Archana Singh has been instrumental in carrying this project forward with the help of all other resource persons and the teachers from various schools where this project has been taken. So once again, thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much.